Who's this? Who's this?
Hey.
Seawalk. What's up?
Hello.
Say hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
You gonna watch me?
Say I'm gonna be more famous than Preston Styles.
I'm gonna be more famous than Preston Styles.
There you go. This is Jordyn. You guys remember Jordyn? This is Jordyn's drift car. Probably haven't seen it in a while. This is his new one. Probably the last time they seen it was maybe the Fox.
I think it was the Fox.
Probably was.
Fox burnt to the ground.
It did burn to the ground. Because Jordyn was doing the wiring in it. This is Jordyn's freshly painted, Cobra-ish kind of looking car. It's a 5.0, freshly rebuilt, less than a mile on the motor. And Jordyn, what are we doing, buddy?
We're putting a new motor in it.
Why are we putting a motor in it?
Because you blew my motor up.
Oh, okay. So yeah, Jordyn rebuilt this motor and lasted less than a mile, and his Fox body he did the wiring on also caught fire. So Jordyn, what did we learn?
You know what? I had just started the wiring. I just got the tools out.
So now we are gonna pull the motor out in this beast. So I am going to be installing subs and new door speakers in my car because seeing it went bad over winter. I'll show you what I got. So I got a JBL Bass Pro 12 for the trunk, and I got some DV Drive door speakers. Hopefully they're better than the last crap I got. I got just a cheap amp wiring kit. This is the speaker that I got. Actually looks pretty good. It's a JBL.
So what happened then? That's what I'm, oh, you're recording what's up? Hello?
Well, the exhaust is
So
off.
you guys got going on exhaust? And no catalytic converters?
There are catalytic converters. They're just invisible.
Do you know how illegal that is? Did you not hear about the new EPA law? Yeah. Have to have converters on vehicles?
What's EPA?
We're gonna shoot everything out.
Yeah. I see a problem right here.
Roll still?
Yeah.
Dumbasses. Jack high. Jack's high. Everybody else check for any little.
My bad, I just cut you off, didn't I?
Beat myself down.
Two at the top.
What, heavy?
Make sure.
We weren't even. And I was walking.
So, you know, I did the whole underside of this car. Well, not the underside, the whole side, but I took a bunch of off. I did the top, intake and everything. I'm trying to get the motor out, it won't come out. I asked Jordyn, all the bell housing bolts out. I said, yeah, they're all out. So I have good faith. Sitting there, wiggling it, it's not coming out. With the light, like the fucking bell housing bolt. One more. So now, it's like way up here on top of the train here, I get an extension and get it from back here. You can't even see it from here. And sneak it out of there. You got it?
Get a free hand.
How's it feel?
Oh, horrible. I'm gonna go home.
Stop. You're dumping it. Yep. Okay, come on up. Can you use to keep the whole train in the car? Okay. Jesse, help him pull that thing. Stop. He's out. Yes. Gotta be close to me. I'll fall off.
Junk?
Yep. Brian,
How do you know it's junk?
that coating's down to the copper already. Less than a mile.
No good.
Less than a mile on the motor.
Oh my God.
Dude, that's fucked.
Yeah,
That is. I knew I've seen fucking metal on the motor.
Yep, bad, it's gone.
So can I,
That's done. Yep, that's done.
Motor's fucked.
can,
Yep,
That was the noise we're hearing.
yeah,
Yep.
yep.
Alex is over here changing his oil, staying busy. How's it going, buddy?
It's good. Still dripping.
Good. You got it drained?
Yeah, just about.
How much of it went in the pan?
All of it. I think I dripped like one spot.
Damn. So this video is kind of like cut in half. You guys can probably tell there's two videos that came out of this. There's the one video of us pulling Jordyn's motor and kind of going through it.
And realizing I got scammed.
Yeah, that's still a sore subject. And then there's also the other video of the nitrous fire and nitrous intake explosion and all that stuff. So if you kind of seen, you know, like it cut and then come back, it's kind of why. But we'll go back in the garage. We'll kind of go over Jordyn's car again and kind of tell you what we found. We have the motor completely disassembled all the way down to just a bare block. We're not going to replace it with a junkyard one like we were going to do. We're actually going to rebuild it, but do it right this time. Unfortunately, the place who said that they replaced all his bearings did not, and they were all Ford factory OEM stuff. So what they did, I have no idea. So let's go inside and he'll kind of show us what's going on. We got it all saran wrapped, ready to go, so that it's not so oily in the back of the truck. This is a stock crank. It doesn't seem that bad, but it was wore down to the babbitt on the bearings, so it has to be replaced. As far as his cam, if we can find one in time, because I said this car is going back together this week, so it'll be running by the weekend. I still have to inspect all of his lifters. Did you inspect them or no?
I looked through them and I didn't see anything weird.
Okay, so I mean they all look pretty good, but I'll go over them anyways. We have to disassemble his heads, so we have to take all the springs, these keepers, and the valves out so that the guy can clean them up. Got all his pistons over here, all in order. So what we're gonna have to do now is take off all of the rings. They are standard size. I will mic them though before we order stuff to make sure, but I'm like 99.9% sure they're all standard size. So all his bolts over here, all laid out. So, oh, we got a stranger in here. Oh, he's camera shy.
Top floor, Jordyn?
Yeah.
Damn, Jordyn's under its own power. It don't sound too bad now. What's that horrible noise in the back though?
It's probably the drive shaft hitting something. It's hanging.
You're good?
You got that side of the top, Tony?
No power steering top.
That's a Mustang.
You almost done yet?
No.
Looks good to me, Dad.